going, you guys? Sorry, I've been slacking on these trade recaps, so we're gonna do today's and yesterday's trade recap all in one. Starting with today, we took this nice little trade on the 15-second. We swept all these highs and basically tapped it, tapped that gap, instantly rejected off of it, creating this candle. Wanted to see price come back into it. Price did. Entered off that, and then I used these lows as my draw on liquidity with this as my final take profit, making us $645 today. Now let's get to yesterday's trade. Alright, yesterday's trade could have made us a lot more, but I got greedy. So we swept these lows down here that we failed to sweep right here. Forgot, I can't change the time, but we also inversed a fair value gap, a minute fair value gap. And then we came back down, retraced into this 15-second fair value gap, also meeting equilibrium. So I entered longs with my take profit originally being this 5-minute gap. Once we broke these highs, I moved to break even. And that's where I messed up. As you can see, I got wicked out. And so, yeah, a little unfortunate. But after seeing these two candles right here, I knew we wanted to come for this gap. So it was perfect. I got retracement into a fair value gap. We respected that fair value gap. I entered and had most of my position off here. And I left a guy here. But now in the future, I'm going to watch the market and let a contract run, because as you can see, if I put it up here or whatever, it would have played out perfectly yesterday. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing. Maybe I'll introduce in some trailing take profit. Would have definitely moved it to here, probably these lows right here, but something I'm going to start messing with in the future. But yeah, overall we are now up 1,200 on this Express account. And we have 2 winning days so far. Here, I'll just show you guys this. Here's all this if you guys are wondering. Let's see. We made 537 yesterday and 647 today. I'm going to be honest. I don't know why it says 5 trades. I think it says 5 trades because of my take profits. I don't know if any of you guys know why. But like this morning, I had multiple take profits all at lows. I had one here, and then I left the last one for here. So I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. But yeah, no. It's been going great for me recently. I'm feeling a lot more confident, especially on this 15-second chart. It's honestly been game changer. But yeah, I don't know. That's going to be it for today, boys. If you guys would like to see a strategy video, I'll definitely sit down and make that with you guys. It's very simple what I've been doing recently. Just using liquidity, fair value gaps, and order flow. So, yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.